Hi everybody, my name's Chris and I'm going to show you how to make this lovely little stretch bracelet. I'm a new channel, I'm not a professional, everything I do has been through hobby, but I love to make handmade gifts, so this is what my channel's all about. So I'll be showing you how to make like say something simple as a little stretchy bracelet. I've got some other little bracelets here that I've made. Some beautiful necklaces. Another one here. Something like that. And I also like to make cards. Just show you one of the cards that I've made recently. That's the box, the card, lovely little card there, and box. Little gift boxes to put your little handmade gifts into. I can show you how to do them as well. Something a little bit plainer there. So basically this is what I'm all about, just making little gifts. So you can come along the journey with me and we'll make things together, and you can put your little comments in and, you know, just try new things. Anything that you want to suggest, we could give it a go and learn together. So we're going to make this little bracelet, and I've got here some rose quartz nuggets, and I've already measured my wrist. It's about 18 inches, so to get a good fit, that's what I'm looking at, about 18 inches. I'm going to put a little art charm on like this. So there's my little art there. So I'm just going to thread on, quite simple, double stretchy elastic, and I've just got a little bit of tiger tail here and just bent it over and using it as a needle, so you're getting like double the strength of your elastic, and just simply threading on. So I'll just put these on now till you get it to the length that you need to fit your wrist. And the nice thing about making little handmade gifts is you can use the colours that you like, the person who you're making the gift for likes, or the birthstone. So lots of different things you can be doing to just make a nice personal gift. So I'm just going to thread these on now. So I get it to the right length. And I'm going to give that a quick measure. That's about right for me. I think that'd maybe one less. I think I'll take that one off. Yeah, that's about right for me. So now I've got a little box of bales here. So I think we'll have one of these ones. So I'm going to thread that on. Like so. So we've got all that gone on there. And I just need some clear nail varnish. So we're just gonna, it's all stuck together. So we're gonna tie this up now. So we're gonna give it a good pull together. A couple of knots in there. So what we need to do is just put a little dab of clear nail varnish just on that knot, and that will help to keep it together. It just strengthens the knot. Then we can cut off the ends. We need to try and lose that knot if we can. There we go. So the knot's away. Now we need to get one of these eye pins, these head ball pins. Nice, make it nice and straight. Just pop it in the bottom there. And then what we need to do is loop it round like so. And then just cut that away, and then get these little tweezers, just crimp it together. So these no nasty sharp bits. To go a little bit more with that. And then there you have it. Lovely little rose quartz bracelet. With your little charm on. So over the next few weeks we can try something a little bit more like this. Using different beads. Like this. That little charm there. And then we've got this one. Nice labradorite. A little bit of bling there. And we've got necklaces like this that we can be doing. So lots of little things coming up that are simple to make, and I know that you'll enjoy doing them, making little gifts for your families and friends. So that's me. I hope you come along and have a look what else we're going to be doing over the next weeks or so, and press that subscribe button and notification so that we can all do the journey together. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you soon. Bye.